If your aircon smells bad or airflow is weak, this is the reason. I'll show you how to fix it in about 2 minutes on your Honda Accord Euro. So we go. Step 1, under your glove box, take out any items that are in there because they'll fall out in a minute and you'll see why. Undo the small latch beside the glove box, you just got to press downwards. That unlocks it. Then you need to press in here and press in here, and the glove box comes straight down. Okay, now you've got a small arrow here and here. You need to press inwards and press inwards on both. Pull the whole box towards you. If this filter gets blocked, your airflow drops and the air can smell pretty bad. Clip there and a clip there. There's your cabin filter. So now have a quick look. Easily pushes out, and you can see along here, I'll take it out. It comes out very easily. You can see along here the amount of dust that's in there and dirt, and look at that. So it definitely needs replacing. I'm just going to show you how to put it back in today. I'm not actually going to replace it. And I've written around here, I replaced on the 10th month 2023 at 265,000 Ks. That's a Repco one, part number RCF 547A. Shows the airflow arrow down. One other tip I'll give you while we're going is, sometimes you have a noise inside your car, a bit of a whirring sound people get. So what you can do is take a small inspection mirror and a small torch and put it in there and have a look, and you can see, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but you can see the blade motor and all the blades, and then you can see there's no leaves falling in there, got trapped in there, because sometimes they come down beside the filter. So just have a check round, there's nothing stuck in there to make a funny sound. You can also start your car and turn it on without the filter in case there's anything in there, just to check it. But cabin filter's a simple, easy job to do. Now you take your new filter, which I don't have, but I'm just showing you how to do it. Make sure your flow arrow goes downwards, flow goes either side, so the two white sections of cardboard go perpendicular to the front. Place it in there, and when you push it back in, make sure it lines up. Airflow is down, check everything's right, line it up. Simply push it in, clicks there, all done. Glove box lid, push it back up. You can see here where the catches on there and there, so push them in. Pull the arm down, clip it back up. Put your manuals back in. Little tip, I usually use Ryco oil filters, air filters. That's got Ryco A1508 is the car air cleaner. I'll put that in there, keep it, so I forget sometimes. And the Honda oil filter is a Z547. Close the glove box. You're on your way. I think it's a pretty easy job. Anyone can have a crack at doing themselves. Thanks for watching.